be introducing a new sight word today using various strategies that are multisensory. So Kate, I have a new sight word for you to take a look at on this card. This is probably a word you already know.
Do.
Exactly. So this word is does. It's a form of the word do. So I could say, I do like chocolate. Or if I want to use this version, I could say something like, she does like chocolate. Can you think of a sentence you could use with does?
How does that work?
Exactly. Yeah, that was great. That was great. Okay, so it's a little tricky because we know how to spell do, but notice what we have to add on to make does. What letters?
Yes.
Exactly, yeah. So it's a little tricky spelling. That's why we call it a sight word, and we're going to practice it a little bit. So one way I'd like you to practice it is, here's our rainbow highlighter, and I want you to do rainbow letters. So just trace each letter with one color this first time, and say the letter as you trace it.
D.
Keep going with the same color for now.
O. E. S.
Beautiful. Now choose a different color and do the same thing.
D. O. E. S.
Excellent. Very good. Okay, so that's one way that we can practice it. Another way that we could practice it is to use Wiki Stix to form the letters. So I'm going to put the card here so that you can still see it. Here's some Wiki Stix for you. And I just want you to form each letter on the board, saying each letter as you make it.
Okay.
Now what's our word again?
Does.
Mm-hmm.
D.
Great job thinking about where the circle part and the straight part is.
O.
Oops. Uh-oh. That's not supposed to happen, huh?
E.
Oh, that wasn't together. It's that. It's not behaving.
S.
Beautiful. All right, so what's our word?
Does.
Excellent job. All right, let's move does. We can leave it there for now. Let's move does over here. And then, Kate, here's some sand for you. You can use the tip of a pencil or your finger, whatever you're more comfortable with. And here's our card still. Write that word in the sand.
T. O. E. S.
Spells.
Does.
Excellent, excellent. Okay. Then, our last step is to write it on our paper. Oh, you've got your paper, right? Could you pull out that piece of paper that you put your name on earlier? Yeah, that's it. And use any of these lines. I want you to write the word does 3 times, telling me the letter as you write it and then the word. Yeah, that's fine. Yes, let's do that.
T. O. E. S.
Spells.
Does.
Good. Okay, now let's put all the letters on one line as best you can fit them.
D. O. E. S.
Spells.
Does.
Yeah, and one last time.
T. O. E. S.
Spells.
Does.
Yes, excellent. Okay, so that's our new word of the day. We'll be bringing that into other practice sessions so that you get a chance to work with it some more too. Very good.